Guys, I finally got my hands on the super hype Tier Mask Fit Red Cushion Foundation. This one has been creating waves all the past year for its high coverage and longevity. I have tried this foundation a couple of times and here are my first impressions. The packaging is adorable, just like a red capsule. Inside it has a nice mirror and a puff to apply the foundation. I got this in the shade 31N French Beige, which honestly is a very good match with its neutral olive undertones. This swatch is to see if the foundation oxidizes with time. Let's start with applying the foundation on one side of my face with this cute puff. Honestly, it applies pretty decently while keeping all the coverage. As you can see, it does cover most of the blemishes on my skin. The best part is that the puff does not seem to soak in any foundation. But on the flip side, the puff sometimes applies excess of foundation, especially around the corners of the nose area, making patchy foundation lines visible. Also, the puff kind of makes the foundation sit on top of my skin and does not mesh with it, and makes my pores all the more visible. However, when I tried layering the foundation with the puff, it did do a decent job without any patchiness. Next, going in with the brush, I can already see a difference. The brush applies the foundation much more seamlessly and a small quantity is spread evenly to cover the whole face. The finish is much more flawless and less pores are visible. On an up-closer look, I can clearly see that the brush side is looking so much more even with minimum skin texture visible as compared to the puff side. Layering of the foundation is also very easy and seamless with a brush. Now to smoothen out the unevenness of the puff side, I am just using a damp sponge and pressing it gently all over the face, and everything becomes much more smoother. Coming to the foundation itself, it has a matte finish and does stay put for close to 9 hours without any primer. It has a medium to full coverage and can successfully cover up all the blemishes. To be completely fair, I have an oily skin, so despite the matte finish, this does not look dry or cakey on my face. Dry skin people will need to moisturize properly. Getting back to the oxidization test, as you can see, the fresh swatch is only very slightly lighter than the old one, indicating that there is minimal oxidization. Overall, I really enjoy using this foundation. It hasn't become my favorite, but I want to see how it fares through. We'll get back to you on that.